Hi, this is King of Review. The following graph represents which system of inequalities? We'll start by looking at this solid line here. We see that it crosses over the y-axis here at -1. So the equation of this line is y equals -1. Now let's determine which inequality sign to use. To do this, we'll select a point that's within the solution. Let's choose this point right here. This point is at 0, 5. So we have our line, which is y equals -1, and we're trying to determine if y is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to -1. To do that, we'll plug in our value of 5 for y, which is here. So we get 5 is either greater than or equal to or less than or equal to -1. Which one is it? Well, 5 is greater than or equal to -1. Therefore, we know the inequality sign that we need to use is greater than or equal to. So we have y is greater than or equal to -1. This is our first inequality in our system. Next, let's look at this line here. And we're going to put this line in the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So we'll figure each of these out. Let's first determine the y-intercept. So we see here it crosses at -1 right here. Here's our y-intercept. So b is equal to -1. Now let's determine the slope of this line. So we need to find one other point that's on the line. Let's use this point right here. So this is at 2 and 2. So to determine the slope, we go rise over run. So we're going up 3 and over 2. So our slope is 3 over 2. Now we can fill out the equation of our line. We have y equals 3/2 times x minus 1. And next we need to determine the inequality sign to use. Again, we'll choose a point that's within the solution. Let's choose the same point as before, 0, 5. When we plug in these values, we get 5 is either greater than or equal to or less than or equal to 3/2 times 0 minus 1. This works out to 5 is either greater than or equal to or less than or equal to -1. Well, 5 is greater than or equal to -1. Therefore, we'll use the greater than or equal to sign. So we have y is greater than or equal to 3/2 times x minus 1. And that's the second inequality in our system. Letter B is correct. Thanks for watching.